How to get dark mode on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can enable or get dark mode on your Snapchat. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. First things first, you wanna open up Snapchat. You shall get an interface mode like this if you're logged in. You wanna tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen and head over to your profile. Once on the profile, you want to simply tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now under settings, what you can do is simply scroll down below and you should be able to find the option that says app appearance. As you can see here on the screen, you want to tap on app appearance. Now since you want to switch to dark mode, you can simply tap on always dark option and then tap on restart now, and now you'll be switched to dark mode as you can see on the screen. However, if you tap on settings here and head into the option on app appearance, you'll see various other options such as custom app theme, which is for premium users only. Also, if you tap on match system, then your Snapchat mode or theme will be switched in accordance with your phone theme. That is, if you have enabled dark mode on your phone, then you'll get dark mode on Snapchat as well. And similarly, if you switch to light theme on your phone, you'll get dark light theme on your phone on Snapchat as well. So this is how you can easily enable or get dark mode on Snapchat. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.